Hello friends, how are you? Today in this video I will talk about what is processor, its types and uses and different types processors. Let's go to our computer screen and start the video. So what is processor? A processor, also known as the central processing unit, is the brain of a computer. It executes instruction, perform calculation and process data to carry out tasks. And function of processor: execute instruction from programs and the operating system, perform arithmetical and logical operations, manage data flow between memory storage and other components. And components of a processor: ALU, arithmetical logic unit, perform mathematical calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, extra, execute logical operation and are not, etc. CU, control unit, direct the flow of data and instruction, manage communication between components. This is structure of component of a processor. And the third part is register, small and high speed memory location inside the CPU, temporarily store instruction and data for quick access. And the fourth, cache memory, ultra fast memory inside the CPU for frequently used data, reduce the need to access slower RAM. And processor performance factors, clock speed measured in gigahertz, it determines how fast the processor execute instructions. Higher gigahertz faster processing. And number of cores, single cores yani processor one task at a time, and double core means can handle two tasks simultaneously, and quad core above increase multitasking performance. And modern CPU have up to 64 cores. And threads and hyperthreading. Threads is virtual cores that help in multitasking, and hyperthreading, Intel technology that enable a single core to handle multiple tasks. And cache memory. Cache memory is faster, smallest class to the CPU, close the CPU. And L2 cache, larger, slightly slower, store frequently used data. And L3 cache, largest, slowest, shared between all cores. And types of processor based on architecture. CISK, complex instruction set computer, Intel AMD processor used in desktop and laptop. And IRISC, reduced instruction set computer, ARM processor used in mobile phones, tablets, and based on purpose. General purpose CPU used in PC, laptops, servers, and mobile processor optimized for power efficiency, Snapdragon, Apple M series. And server processors, high performance CPU for data center, AMD, EPYC, Intel, Xeon. And embedded processors used in IoT, Internet of Things devices, smart TVs, and industrial machines. And popular processor brand and model: Intel processor Core i3, i5, and i7 and i9 for general users and professionals, and Intel Xeon for servers and X workstations, and AMD processor Ryzen A3 5 7 9 for gaming laptop and productivity, and AMD EPYC for data centers and enterprises use, and ARM processor mobile and power efficient CPUs, Apple M1, M2, M3, MacBooks and iPads, and Qualcomm Snapdragon smartwatch and tablets and smartphones. And future of processors: Quantum processor, next generation CPUs using quantum mechanism for super fast computing, AI machine learning integration CPUs with dedicated AI cores, lower power consumption, energy efficient processor for greener technology. Thank you for watching my video. Let's see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.